on tape. That's very important. You know, it's a very different art from performing live. That's what I wanted to be. I wanted to be George Martin.
George Martin, his influence was so mighty, but he wasn't there to put his stamp on it. Someone like a Phil Spector he was the opposite of that. I don't know if he said it himself, but, he was the artist on the record.
The enormous orchestra he got on the Be My Baby. There's nothing before for Spector that was ever done on such a level, except a symphonic recording, Beethoven's Ninth or something like that.
Boom, boom, bang, boom, boom, bang. What a huge, big, noisy rock and roll. Be my little baby.
What one really hears in Phil Spector's work is the possibility of production, a unique way of building the sound of his recordings, now known as the Wall of Sound.